Welcome to Training Minutes. Today we're going to take you over how to remove a downed firefighter up a flight of stairs. This could be one of your most common RIT scenarios when a firefighter goes down. Doesn't have to be that they're out of air, caught, or trapped. It could be just simply a medical emergency.
Oftentimes the difference between life and death on a fire ground, especially in a rescue situation, is the proper wearing of PPE. This includes SCBA, helmet, coat, gloves, especially waist straps and chin straps. This is each firefighter's responsibility, and the departments that don't enforce this are not enforcing the most basic of rules of firefighter survival: to wear your gear all the time on the fire ground, outside the fire building, at all times. This is supervision, and this is enforcement on the department's part.
Earlier episodes you learned about how to package the firefighter and place the downed firefighter back on air. So we're going to take this as a station approach. One thing that we need to focus on here is the victim. Make sure they're wearing their face mask. Even when the firefighter wears their gear properly with their chin strap, when they're removing the downed firefighter up the stairs, the helmet tends to tilt and the person will get that RIT scar across their nose. So we want to make sure we protect the firefighter that's being our victim. All right guys, let's move them. And when they're moving them, we're going to make sure we get the victim square to the stairs, so it's going to facilitate making an easy push up those stairs. Okay, right here, the firefighter is going to make a transfer and put both legs over their shoulders, and they're going to place their hands under the firefighter's butt and try to lower their head into the firefighter's crotch. If the firefighter's strong enough, he's going to get on the balls of his feet, pick the firefighter up, work as a team, communicate with each other, and power them up the stairs. There's a tendency when doing this drill for the firefighter on the bottom to put their hands over the thighs. If the firefighter on the bottom isn't strong enough, however, the victim's butt drops and the bottle tends to get hung up on the stairs. So it's critical that you place your hands under the firefighter's butt, grab the converted harness, or grab the bottle, or lock your hands together. Whatever works, whatever's comfortable for you.
When you have a smaller firefighter at the bottom of the stairs, you may want to take one step at a time. Let's take a look.
You can see here that he's powering up with his legs. He's not able to get on the balls of his feet. If it's a heavy firefighter, this may be the way to go.
Although we don't want to delay the initial firefighter movement up the stairs by the initial RIT team, additional RIT team members can utilize additional equipment such as a large carabiner and a rope to create a mechanical advantage to assist in bringing the firefighter up the stairs. Let's check that out.
All right, now we're at the top of the stairs. We're going to take a look at this simple 2-to-1 mechanical advantage system. This system requires no knots. Remember, we're probably dealing with deteriorating conditions, and this stairway is going to act as a chimney for heat and smoke. So we want to get this firefighter out of the stairway as quick as possible. This firefighter here is just serving as an anchor point. There's no knots, no nothing. He's just simply holding the rope still. It goes down to a carabiner that free floats. What this does, and as you can see the motion of the carabiner pull up, anytime we have a bend in the rope, it creates mechanical advantage. So though it's not as efficient as a pulley, the carabiner is big enough so that the firefighter can deploy it before he goes down the stairs, simply hook into the straps, and then we're going to pull the firefighter up. Thank you for watching Training Minutes. We'd like to thank our sponsor, Globe, for their dedication to firefighter safety and survival.
Be safe out there. Wear your gear.